Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wall-mounted coat racks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Liberty Hardware 129,848 hook rail coat rack. This particular product is available with 5 flared tri-hooks as you can see from the image as well. Using such products is a great way to get rid of unwanted stuff hanging around the house. For example, you don't need to hang your coat in the cupboard as you can easily hang it on this rack. It appears from the image that this coat rack is stylish and thus, it would be a good addition to your home decor and would be functional at the very same time. The projection of the hooks is 3.5 inches. You can get more information on the features from the detailed description. Moving on at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics wall-mounted Farmhouse coat rack. This particular product is available in light walnut color and as you can see from the image it has 5 standard hooks. You can use it in the hallways, foyers, and it would be suitable for your bedroom as well. You can get more information on this product from the detailed description. Before making a final purchase decision, it is wise to know the relevant features and specifications. You can read the reviews and comments from the current and previous customers to get an idea of the performance of this product and the durability. The instructions for mounting and the hardware are included. Each hook can hold up to 5 pounds. At number 3, we have the iDesign York Metal over-the-door organizer, 3-hook rack for coats. This particular product is available in chrome color and has a set of 2. The 3 hooks on each set would let you hang robes, hats, coats, towels, and so much more. Depending on your choice or need you can use it in the bedroom, bathroom, or wherever you prefer. Using this product you would be able to save so much space. Such space-saving products are a good addition to the house as you can keep things organized. The installation is very easy. In fact, you just have to hang it to the door and you would be able to use it. At number 2, we have the Umbra Stixx MultiRack. As you can see from the image of this product it is available in black color and has a very unique and interesting design. It is modern and would save up space in your house. There are 5 flip-down hooks where you can hang your coat, purses, scarves, and so much more. It is functional and depending on your requirement or choice you can use it in the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or anywhere you like. It is not only versatile but decorative as well and hence, it would be a stylish addition to your room. The instructions are easy to follow and thus, you can set it up easily. It comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. And finally at number 1, we have the Rustic wall-mounted coat rack shelf. As you can see from the image, this particular product is available in black color. It consists of 5 rustic hooks and solid pine wood. You can use it in the kitchen, bathroom, mudroom, or anywhere you prefer or require. As per the product description and you can see from the image as well it is beautifully handcrafted. The design is smart and you can use it for a variety of purposes. You would be able to get a customer satisfaction guarantee. You can get more information from the detailed description of this particular product. Reading the reviews from previous and current customers would be a good idea as well. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.